Hey car enthusiasts, welcome back to Best Reviews, your go-to destination for all things automotive. If you're looking to upgrade your driving experience, you're in the right place. Before we dive into today's top 5 car accessories, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up to stay updated with the latest and greatest in the world of automotive enhancements. Now, let's rev up the excitement as we unveil a must-have accessories that are set to redefine your driving pleasure this year. From cutting-edge tech to stylish and practical additions, we've got it all covered. Buckle up and let's explore the top 5 best car accessories that you won't want to miss in 2024. Let's kick things off with number 5 on our list, the LivTee Blind Spot Mirror. LivTee brings us a game changer with their blind spot mirror, featuring a 2-inch round HT glass for a frameless, convex rear view. This exterior accessory comes in a pack of 2, boasting a remarkable 360-degree rotation and sway adjustability to maximize your field of vision. Moving on to number 4, we have the Fanttik X8 Apex Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This high-powered inflator stands out as the fastest 12 volts rechargeable battery air pump on the market, capable of inflating a 26.3-inch tire in just 56 seconds. The powerful battery life of up to 40 minutes under typical outdoor temperatures ensures you can handle multiple tires without pausing, thanks to the innovative proprietary cooling function. Say goodbye to waiting for your inflator to cool down. The Fanttik X8 Apex is designed for efficiency and convenience. Next up at number 3 is the LISEN for MagSafe Car Mount, a hands-free magnetic phone holder designed to complement your driving experience. This expert holder fits MagSafe cases perfectly, offering a non-blocking function and easy installation. With an extension arm and free angle adjustment, LISEN provides a customizable driving atmosphere to suit your preferences. Coming in at number 2 is the ThisWorx Car Vacuum Cleaner, a small yet powerful 12-volt handheld vacuum with a range of features for on-the-go cleaning. Compact, lightweight, and easy to use, this vacuum is equipped with a HEPA filter, making it perfect for tackling ash, dust, and drive-through food spills. With a cyclonic force and strong suction from the 106-watt motor, this mini car vacuum terminates dirt, debris, and hard-to-reach crumbs, ensuring your car's interior stays clean and tidy. The detailing kit includes 3 attachments: flathead, extendable, and brush nozzle. And now, taking the top spot at number 1 is the JUMPAC, your 5-in-1 ultimate car companion. This versatile device combines a jump starter portable vacuum, LED light, power bank, and inflator all in one. It's a comprehensive solution for various on-the-road emergencies, providing drivers with a reliable companion for a wide range of situations. Whether you need a jump start, a quick cleanup, illumination, a power boost, or tire inflation, the JUMPAC has got you covered.